Hello! Welcome back to Project Too Easy. Today we're going to be learning about how to balance equations. So let's get into it. Things you need to know before this lesson. All you need to know is that matter cannot be created or destroyed, only rearranged. Parts of a chemical equation. Before we start balancing equations, we need to know which parts of an equation are which. On the right, we have the products, and on the left, we have the reactants. The letters are elements, the coefficients are the big numbers, and the subscript are the small numbers. Coefficients. The coefficients are the regular sized numbers in front of elements and molecules. These represent the number of a certain atom or element that there are. For example, 3O would be 3 oxygen atoms. The subscript is the small and low number behind elements. These also represent the number of a certain atom, but these atoms are grouped together into a molecule. For example, O3 would be 3 oxygen atoms in a molecule. When balancing an equation, the coefficients can be changed. However, the subscript cannot. So, with that out of the way, here's how to balance equations. This equation is unbalanced. This is because the number of hydrogen atoms is different on the left side than the right. To balance the equation, we need to make the number of hydrogen atoms on each side equal. Remember, we can only change the coefficients, not the subscript. To start off, let's list all of the elements in the equation like this. We can see that there's twice as much hydrogen on the left than on the right. To balance this, let's add a 2 in front of the H. As you can see, there is an equal number of both elements on each side. Therefore, this equation is balanced. Now it's your turn. Try and balance this equation. You can pause the video for as long as you want. Okay, time for the answer. First, let's list all of our elements. We'll start with balancing sulfur. We'll need to multiply the single sulfur on the right by 8. Now that we've balanced the sulfur, we need to balance the oxygen. We'll do this by multiplying the oxygen on the left by 12. And now our equation has been successfully balanced. And that brings us to the end of this lesson. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you next time. See ya!